Have you ever thought about how attached we are towards material things? We become slaves of the things we own without knowing why. We follow certain consumerism habits and we don't understand the deeper meaning of what exactly is essential for us. We have been sold the idea that material things will give us some sort of happiness. And the only thing that we're doing is connecting ourselves deeper to the material world instead of the natural world. When we buy a lot of objects, we lose space and we lose freedom. And one of my favorite things about living in a fairly empty space is that I have to clean less. I have to worry less about things. I feel I'm not that lost in all the mess that I have around me. Think about the time we lose by being stuck in the middle of objects, tidying up, fixing things, organizing. We live in a world where there is a lot of information and distractions that they actually don't give us much. So it's on us to find something that grounds us, something that makes us happier and fulfilled. When we have fewer options to think about, life gets simpler and easier. The key is to keep what you really need and what is truly essential, and actually the real things that you love. When we push ourselves to change the way we spend money, we become a little bit more aware of the environmental impact that everything that we buy and everything that we purchase is actually causing some sort of effect. We also tend to change a lot of relations, the way we consume things, and even the way we eat. Minimalism doesn't have rules. The only rule is to find what you truly love, what is truly essential, what exactly is that you need to be happy. Minimalism is about minimize the amount of things that you have and to live with the stuff that is actually in use. So what are you waiting for? Why simple things are important. It can help you feel more positive emotions, and doing so can help you improve your psychological health. We always choose what we pay attention to, what we focus on, and what we appreciate. Commit to yourself to enjoy the simple things in your life in a genuine and ongoing way. After living in cities like London, Bogota, and Berlin, I learned to love the chaos. I love exploring each city and even connect with the most random things around me. Nature is my safest space. This is where I just feel calm. And this is what I mean when I say I love to enjoy the simple things. There is something so simple like getting out of the city and connecting with nature. When we live in this distracted world full of material things, we forget about connecting with nature, which is something that gives us a lot of peace, a lot of calmness. There is even a lot of research that shows that we can heal a lot of illnesses just going and walking in nature every single day. So why we don't make this as a routine for our lifestyle? Knowing your place in nature brings meaning and joy. Everything is bound to time. Every single thing in the universe is affected by time, whether it's a human or a star. Good time management can help you in every single area of your life, whether it's work or at home, and ensures you to make the most out of every single moment. Whether you fail or succeed at something often breaks down to time management, not to skill. Are you using your time wisely? What are you doing with your time? Are you investing this time in yourself? Or are you being distracted by the material world? I think we overcomplicate ourselves when it comes to eat, when it comes to cook. And simple food, in my opinion, is the best food for your body and for your soul. Learning to love natural flavors, eating colorful food, and not only learning to love natural flavors, eating colorful food. Learning to love natural flavors, eating colorful food not only gave me a lot of health benefits, it also gave me the extra time to focus on other things. And if you think about it, when you stick to buy the simple, you save a lot of money. If we stick to a natural unprocessed diet, we become healthier and happier. We all love material things, some people more than others. But what about the things we gain outside of the material world? Something like experiences. At the age of 18, I moved to Cambridge, and it was probably one of the hardest and most beautiful things I ever experienced. I was full of fears, but this was my time. This was the door that opened a whole new world for me. I grew up quicker, I opened my mind, and I really felt what it was truly important in my life and what exactly I was missing.